Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to apply free shipping to certain products. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's scroll down right here until we reach the settings. And on the settings right here, we need to actually look for the option called shipping. So the shipping option is actually found on the WooCommerce setting right here. Head over and click on the settings of WooCommerce on the settings parent. And then once you have done that, you can see in here this. So from there, click on the shipping. Once you have clicked on the shipping, you should be able to see a new page just like this one. Then from in there, click on this option called classes. Click on it. Once you have done that, it will show you the classes that you have. So in here, you can add a shipping class if you want. So click on this add shipping class. Then let's name this free. And then the slug is free shipping as well. So let's name it. And then put in here a slug and also a description. Like for example, free shipping. Then click on create. Once you have done that, it will be created. Now, in order to add particular product on the shipping class, what we can do is we can head over right here to our products. So head over right here to our products. Let's select the product we want to add the free shipping into. Now let's click on this navy blue button t-shirt and click on this edit option. Once you have clicked on the edit option, you should be able to see the product editor of WordPress. So under here, click on shipping and then click on this right here and then just choose this free shipping class. And then from there, as you can see, it's been added. Now in here, what you can do is scroll up and click on this update option. After we're done with that, let's head over again to our settings and to our WooCommerce. Head over again to the shipping and you should be able to see this. Now what you can do is you can just head over and edit out the things or the zone that you want to add on that particular shipping class. Once you have clicked on edit right here, you can see in here the zone name, also the shipping method in here. So you can head over and add a shipping method if you want as well. Now it will enable the free shipping or not depending on that zone. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.